name is Jia and today I am going to tell a story named Thirsty Crow in Puppet. So let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a crow. Oh no, I'm very thirsty. I want to drink water. Let's go find water. Caw, 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 caw. Is there water here? No. Caw, caw, caw. Is there water here? No. Caw, caw, caw. Is there water here? No. Oh no, I'm very thirsty. I'm going to die without water. Maybe I have to keep searching for water. Caw, 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 caw. Oh, look, there is a pitcher. Let me see if there is water inside the pitcher. Oh, the water is very deep. How can I drink it? Let me try. I'm not able to drink it. Let me push it and break it. It's not breaking it. It's not pushing it either. How can I drink? Let me find something that will help. Ka-ka, 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 ka. Oh, look, there are pebbles. Will pebble help me? Maybe I need to try to throw the pebbles inside of the pitcher. Let's try. Oof, these pebbles are very heavy. Of course, they are not heavy for you. You are a human being. Oof, maybe these many are enough. Let me try. I'm not able to drink it. Maybe I have to add more pebbles. Few moments later. Oh, look! Finally, the water came on the neck of the pitcher. Let me try to drink it. Oh my God! Finally, after days, I'm drinking it. Ka 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 ka. I'm the happiest crow in the world. Ka 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 ka. Remember, if there is a will, there will be a way.